Welcome back to the channel. We decided to add some RGB light strip magic to our enclosed backyard area. We purchased 2 Govee outdoor light strips. These light strips come in 10-meter lengths and are fully weatherproof with and IP65 rating. Used Aluminium L strips for mounting, as this will shield the strips from the elements and will hopefully last for many years. It also reflects the light, enhancing the appearance. These strips are usually used for flooring applications, but we found them to be well suited for this application. Got 2 large, weatherproof electrical enclosures to house the LED control units and power supplies. These Govee RGB light strips provide vibrant colors with optional animations and are exceptionally bright. The Govee app has infinite options for colors, animations, and schedules. Both Google Home and Amazon Alexa are fully supported here for voice control and automation. We are pleased with the result. Check the description for all the items used in this project. Please comment with any thoughts and suggestions. Support us by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel.